In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Gmail for sending at a later time. Maybe you want to send an email tomorrow and you can set it up now and leave it. Tomorrow at the specified time, it is going to deliver to the person. So let's say I'm on my Gmail right now. I can come to compose, and this is where I can type in the email address of who I want to send to, and then I can type in the subject. And then come here and just type in the content and come down here to send. He will not send. You come to this small arrow, you can click on it and you can see schedule send. Now this is going to open for you to select the date, the timing, and so on. So you can see you can use tomorrow, this afternoon, this Monday. It has given you some suggestions, but then you can pick a date and time at your convenience. Maybe on 16th, and then 16th July, you specify the timing. Maybe I can say at 9. And then once you're okay, you can say schedule and send. And this is going to be scheduled for that time. Okay, so you can click to view the message, or anytime you want to view it, you can come to your schedules and you'll be able to see the mails that you have scheduled and when they are going to be delivered to the person that you are specifying or sending to. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.